Hey guys!
Today we're gonna talk about
Цамбагаарав уул and
Herzinger Cave.
Цамбагаарав uul is one of the most glorious snow-capped peaks in Mongolia. Цамбагаарав is a mountain between Haft province and Bayanguli province in western Mongolia. It is mountain of the Altai Mountains range. The distance from Ulaanbaatar to Цамбагаарав mountain is approximately 1,400 km. This region is popular for activities like hiking and outdoor sports. It also provides a chance to experience the traditional nomadic lifestyle of Mongolia. And it's all enough for now.
Now it's my turn. Herzinger Cave is also known as Northern Cave. It's significant archaeological site in Mongolia. It's famous for prehistoric rock paintings that date back to the Upper Paleolithic period, around 30,000 to 40,000 years ago. Key facts about Herzinger Cave location. Found in Haft Province, Western Mongolia. Situation mountains and rocky region, providing natural protection for the ancient art cave painting, horticultural painting. The image depicts mammoths, bison, ibex, camels, deer, and other animals, showing the rich wildlife of ancient Mongolia. Abstract symbols and human-like figures are also present. Historical importance constitutes one of the oldest examples of human artistic expression in Central Asia, providing to a spiritual and hunting practice of early humans. Paintings resemble this found in the Mira span, showing similarities with European Paleolithic cave art archaeological findings.